In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the super admin in Google Merchant Center. As we dive in, I'll guide you through each step, ensuring that the process feels straightforward and manageable. Having the right person in the super admin role is crucial, as it provides them with the ability to manage settings, users, and the overall operations within your Google Merchant Center account. First, you'll need to access people and access settings in your account. Start by signing into your Google Merchant Center Next account. If you're unfamiliar with this platform, it's the updated version that houses all tools and settings for managing your merchant details. Once you're logged in, locate the gear icon. You'll find this in the top right corner of the interface. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu where you need to select the People and Access option. Now we proceed to the next part, which involves adding a new super admin. Once you're in the People and Access section, look for and click on Manage in Business Manager. This will redirect you to the Business Manager environment where you can administer users and permissions more effectively. Here you'll see an option called People and Access. Click on this and then choose the option to Add Person. In this section, it's time to enter the details of your new super admin. Specifically, you need to input the email address of the individual you're designating as the new super admin. Be sure this address is correct to avoid any inconveniences later on. After entering the email, you'll see an option to select the type of access you want to grant. You must choose Super Admin Access among the available options. This is essential as it grants the highest level of permission within the Merchant Center account, allowing the person to make significant changes. The final act involves sending out an invitation. With everything in place, click on Send Invitation. The designated person will receive an email inviting them to accept this new role. It's important to let them know to keep an eye out for this email, as accepting it is a crucial step for them to officially gain super admin privileges. Once the invitation is accepted, the person now has super admin responsibilities, enabling them to manage other user accesses and settings. It's a quick yet powerful way to manage your team and ensure that you have the right people in place to oversee your store's online presence. And there you have it, a complete guide to updating the super admin in your Google Merchant Center. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage administrative roles and share responsibilities among your team, ensuring smooth operations and safeguarding your account settings. Thank you for watching, and feel free to follow along with any further updates or guides we provide.